I'm Glenn Schultz with Performance Trust Capital Partners at the CME with this afternoon's fixed income commentary. The 10-year Treasury note closed this afternoon's session up 7/30 seconds to yield a 2.62%. The flight to quality in the Treasury market was triggered by Friday's employment data. Payrolls came out at 192,000, just below the 200,000 consensus. The unemployment rate remained stubbornly around 6.3%, and more importantly, the underemployment rate remained above 12%. So all in all, what this suggested was a continuation of the overall weakness in the labor market, namely the quality of jobs. This was followed by the Wall Street Journal article on the surge and increase in temporary employment that we've seen following the Great Recession. All of this combined to create risk aversion on the part of market participants, particularly with respect to their outlook as far as economic growth going into 2014. Participants then reassessed their consensus in terms of economic stimulus on the part of the Federal Reserve. Many people believe that given Janet Yellen's comments last week, the Federal Reserve will continue along its path of non-traditional monetary policy. Namely, the Federal Reserve will hold short-term interest rates low for a prolonged period of time, while others begin to believe that the pace of quantitative easing or the tapering of quantitative easing may begin to slow as we move forward into the summer months. This is data dependent, of course, but once again triggered a flight to quality. At the same time, risk markets softened, so we saw equity market participants begin to rotate into dividend yielding stocks and away from what is perceived to be growth stocks. All of this is risk aversion tied to the outlook for the economy. What are fixed income investors to do? Well, fixed income investors are to maintain a disciplined approach, scenario-based total return analysis, making sure that their investment choices match their particular risk-reward trade-off. I'm Glenn Schultz with Performance Trust Capital Partners at the CME with this afternoon's fixed income commentary.